ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಉಮಾದೇವಿ, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ HOD ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, GFGC ವಿಜಯನಗರ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲೋರ್. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಯೇಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ವಿಜಯನಗರ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲೋರ್. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್, ಭಾರತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನವ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು. ನಾನ್ ಕೋರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫಾರ್ BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BHM, BCA ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲೋರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ 2021. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ಭಾರತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನವ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳ 3ನೇ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 3, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್, ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್, ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್, UNHCR, UDHR 1948, ICCPR 1996, ICESCR 1966. Introduction. Meaning and definition of human rights. D.D. Basu defines human rights as those minimum rights which every individual must have against the state or other public authority of any consideration. J.C. Verma, former Chief Justice of India, defines human dignity is the quintessence of human rights. All these rights which are essential for the protection and maintenance of dignity of individuals and create conditions in which every human being can develop his personality to the fullest extent may be termed as human rights. Human rights constitute those very rights which one possesses precisely because of human being. In other words, there are some rights which are necessary prelude for the well-being of humans. Human rights means basic rights which help the individual to live with dignity and self-respect. Human rights are universal, inalienable, and natural rights which are absolute essential for all human beings. Human rights are indispensable condition or claims in favor of equal dignity, worth, personality, and development of all human beings. The promotion and protection of human rights of all is a matter of priority, in fact, top priority for the international community. Equal dignity of all persons is the central pillar of the concept of human rights. Human rights are universal in application and inalienable in nature. Human dignity, human equality, and inalienability of human rights of all the members of human family constitute the foundations of freedom, justice, and peace in the world. Categories of human rights. There are 5 categories: civil rights, political rights, economic rights, social rights, cultural rights, sometimes extra rights. The ICCPR contains the following rights: right to self-determination, right to life according to Article 6, freedom from torture or cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment, Article 7. Right to liberty and security, Article 9. Freedom from slavery, servitude, and forced labor, Article 8. Right to defense to be treated with humanity. Freedom from imprisonment in case of failure to fulfill a contractual obligation. Right to liberty of movement, right to fair trial, freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. Freedom from arbitrary or unlawful interferences with privacy, family, home, or correspondence. Right to recognition as a person before the law. Right to peaceful assembly. Right to freedom of association and expression. Right to equality before law and equal protection of law. Right to marry and found a family, right to child, right to vote and get elected. Rights included in ICESCR: the right to self determination, right to work, right to favorable conditions of work, right to form trade unions, right to social security, right relating to motherhood and childhood, marriage and family, right to adequate standard of living, including adequate food, clothing, and housing, and to the condition, continuous improvement of living conditions, right to enjoyment of highest attainable standard of physical and mental health, right to participate in cultural life, right to enjoy the benefits of scientific progress and its applications. MCQs, multiple choice questions. First one, which day is celebrated as World Human Rights Day? The answer is 10th December 1948. Expand UDHR. The answer is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Which was the first document to use the term human rights? The answer is the Declaration of UN. What is strength of UN Commission of Human Rights? The answer is 53 members. Expand ECOSOC. The answer is Economic and Social Council. What is the total strength of UNO? The answer is 193. When and where was the declaration of the UN signed? The answer is 1st January 1942 at Washington. What has what has authored the book The Rights of Man and Citizens? The answer is Thomas Paine. Who issued Magna Carta? The answer is King John of England. Who issued Four Freedoms? The answer is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Expand UNHCR. The answer is United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights. UNHCR's headquarters situated at, the answer is Paris. Expand IRO. The answer is International Refugee Organization. When was IRO founded? Means International Refugee Organization founded. The answer is in 1947. When was the UN Relief and Rehabilitation Administration established? The answer is 1944. Who appoints the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights? The answer is UN Secretary General. Expand OHCHR. The answer is Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of UDHR? The answer is Eleanor Roosevelt. Expand ICCPR. The answer is International Covenant of Civil and Political Rights. Who mentors ICCPR? The answer is UN Human Rights Committee. The ICCPR with UDHR and ICESC are considered as, the answer is International Bill of Human Rights. Who was the first High Commissioner for Human Rights? The answer is Jose Ayala Lasso. When did ICESCR came into force? The answer is 1976. How many articles are there in ICESCR? The answer is 31 articles. When was Human Rights Hotline service provided? The answer is 1994. How many optional protocols are there in ICCPR? The answer is 2. Where does UN Human Rights Committee meet? The answer is Geneva. Human Rights Declaration was made by UNO in the year. The answer is 1948. Expand WHO. The answer is World Health Organization. Expand UNO. The answer is United Nations Organization. The headquarters of the United Nations Human Rights Council. The answer is in New York. Human rights means inseparable rights from the human beings, a right to all round development of human being, a right to provide basic needs, all the above. The answer is all of the above. Which of the following is the human right? Right against racial discrimination, right against gender discrimination, right to religious freedom, all the above. The answer is all the above. The function of Human Rights Commission is to look after the execution of human rights, to submit the report on human rights, awareness of human rights, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. The Indian delegation to the First World Conference was led by, the answer is Dr. Manmohan Singh. Which principal organ of United Nations that virtually accomplished its object? The answer is the Trusteeship Council. The International Human Rights Convention adopted by the UN nations in 1990 related to, the answer is children. Which of the following is human right organization? The answer is Amnesty International. The International Human Rights Convention adopted by the United Nations in 1990 related to, the answer is children. Which among the following is the first generation rights? The answer is political rights. Who was the first chairman of the Commission on Human Rights? The answer is Eleanor Roosevelt. When did ICPR came into force? The answer is 1976. Article dash of ICCPR protects the child rights. The answer is 24. Who appoints the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights? The answer is Security Council. Who monitors ICCPR? The answer is UN Human Rights Committee. How many articles are there in human rights? The answer is 30 articles. Expand IRO. The answer is International Refugee Organization. Right to peace is a dash generation right. The answer is third generation. Who among the following is appointed as UN High Commissioner for Human Rights in 2014? The answer is Prince Zaid bin Rad. Expand ILO. The answer is International Labour Organization. When is the United Nations Days celebrated? The answer is 24th October. Human rights belongs to, the answer is all the people of the world. Human rights affirm faith in human dignity, human worth, human equality. The answer is all the above. Human rights belongs to each person because, the answer is he is a human being. Who was the chief support of natural equal rights man? The answer is Locke, John Locke. Human rights are, the answer is universal rights, natural rights, inalienable rights, all of the above. All these rights are human rights. The French Declaration of Rights upheld the rights of, the answer is man and citizen. International Labour Organization was established in, the answer is 1919. Who prepared the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? The answer is Commission on Human Rights. Thank you. This chapter is prepared by Dr. Uma Devi, myself, Political Science Department, Government First Grade College, Vijayanagar. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.